One PLC is connected to some energy meters. The other PLC is running some pumps. And the whole idea of CESMII is that we want to seamlessly transfer your OT data into absorbing applications. So in this example, as soon as the PLC powers up, it takes those data structures and puts them in our platform. And then that platform does a few things. One is organize the data into a typed system so that you are no longer dealing with disparate random tags. You're aware of what the object actually means. It adds relationships between those objects, and it shields IT applications from the mess of the protocol proliferation problem we have in OT. IT applications don't natively speak DeviceNet or Modbus or any of the obscure things we've invented over the last 30 years. But our platform does provide a single endpoint that can be queried using an API to understand what data is there, what assets are there. So the easiest example I can give is getting tags into Ignition. If you're familiar with Ignition at all, you know that maybe I have 100 tags here. If I need them in, that's 500 clicks. That's about a day's work. So the first step is that we want to bring in the user-defined tag definitions. And I'm just going to click this Get Library, and you will see that it will start populating all the types with the structure that it is coming from the PLC. So right now, the structure in the PLC, the source, has proliferated through the stack, and that's half the battle won if everything's talking the same structure. I then want to bring in the live instances of that. So I'll click my other box, and the script will run, and you'll see that it comes in with live values. And because I know the object types, I can do cool things like drag and drop HMI creation automatically. If you understand the relationships, what feeds what, you can build a dashboard that models your entire line without the need for any human interaction. The second half of this demo is this is Sorba AI, a manufacturing specific AI company, and they have a pre-trade algorithm that works with pumps. So every time they detect a pump, they automatically apply that algorithm to it with no human touches needed.